Hi guys, just a quick follow up to the last video I made about cleaning the heads in a VCR. If you just want to know how to clean the heads in a VCR, I'll link that video here. Someone messaged me, and it's actually quite a common problem, so I said I'd make a video about it. What if you clean the heads and the video recorder, the VCR, works fine for a while and then slowly starts, like the picture starts going again. Sometimes you might end up with just audio, no picture. That's quite common. That's caused by these automatic head cleaners. This one doesn't have it, but a lot of them have rubber on them. This one is made of rubber, but rubber is broken down over the 30 years, or it's, they're dirty after 30 years. So you clean it, and then when you eject your tape, you'll see now if I eject this tape, it wants to actually move towards it. You eject your tape, and then it smudges your clean head that you just cleaned in dirty, either broke down rubber or... I can get this to focus. This Phillips ones are fairly easy because that wants to sit there, so by moving it outside that, it can no longer make contact with the drum. You can just remove these if you want, so depending on the style of VCR you have, like, you could try cleaning it, but a lot of times like they have a little like rubber coating around them, and that broke down, so there's no cleaning them, because every time you touch them it's just going to smear gunk back onto your nice clean head. So just bearing in mind, if your VCR is playing fine after you clean it, and it'll happen fairly quickly, like, you play a couple of tapes and then it goes back to needing to be cleaned again. This is almost certainly the issue. It's been caused by this automatic clean head is covering your drum, your head in gunk every time. Okay guys, just a real quick video. Thanks for watching.